Starting in iOS 15, you can get a notification when you leave an Apple device, an item with an AirTag attached, or a Find My Network accessory behind. Here's how. Notify when left behind might already be turned on by default, but if it's not, here's how to set it up on your iPhone or iPad. In the Find My app, you can set notifications for an item like a backpack with an AirTag attached in the Items tab, or for an Apple device from the Devices tab. Here you'll see all the devices signed into iCloud using your Apple ID. Select the device you want to receive notifications for. Now swipe up on the handle and tap Notify when left behind. Then turn it on. If there are locations where you don't want to be notified when something's left there, like your home or office, you can set them up as trusted locations. To do this, tap New Location. Here, you'll enter an address you trust your device to be left at. Next, you'll set how large you want the geographic area for the trusted location to be. The trusted location area is set to small by default, but you can tap the options at the bottom of the screen to change it. Once you've made your selection, tap Done. If you have more than one item or device, you'll have the option to make this a trusted location for all supported items and devices, or just the device you selected. We'll trust this location for all of our items and devices. Now tap Done, and you're all set. Let's look at what happens when you get a notification that you've left a device behind. The notification will include the device name and its last known location. Tap the notification to see more information, like the address and how long it's been since the device was left at this location. You can also get directions back to it. Tap the X in the top right corner to return to your devices. And that's how Notify when left behind can help take the worry out of keeping track of your devices and items. To learn more about helpful features like this, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.